So I got this boom set up from Joe's Auto Electric, and this is a brand new product. So let's check it out. There's a lot of little parts and pieces. And then all in this box. I mean, he really packed that stuff in there. Nicely done on the packing. It's all a super good job. Super secure. Lots of bubble wrap. So this is Joe's new boom. It is a boom for DiagCart. So that's what was in that box, and like I said, I've been super stoked. I threw my shoulder out, and I've been like just barely able to get out here, but I'm gonna put this thing together. That way you guys can see it. I think this is gonna be a game changer for my DiagCart. So, I know if anyone else is looking for, a way to organize your scope accessories and, your leads and your clamps and all that stuff. So your scope's ready to go. Go over to joesautoelectric.net. He's got all kinds of stuff I think you guys like. So this is just the lead organizer. You're going to put each channel in there. That way it's nice, nice and neat, doesn't get tangled. You got these are the brackets that mount onto whatever, like a DiagCart, or I think I'm going to put one in my van as well. So then this is the coil holder, and I'll show you guys a picture of that in a minute. And then here's the vibration or noise sensors that he makes. Just fits in there really snug. It's pretty sweet. I'll show you guys here in a second. Just a nice little magnetic top for your little probes and whatever. And yeah, some other stuff to hang your clamps on, and alligator clips. So let's get this together. Putting these, when you're putting that on there, and actually I need to put the other one on first, but just make sure that you ease off that set screw so as not to damage anything. Like I said, this is really small hardware, so just be careful. So like that. And I'm gonna, these are 3D printed, and it's a tight fit. I mean, it's a perfect fit. So that's pretty sweet. And like I said, that's another reason you don't need to tighten those little set screws very much, because it's a snug fit. So quickly, I would just like to mention that this is a set screw, and that's for the telescopic portion. I already inserted that into here. So this is a pretty snug fit. I suggest that when you're doing that, you have a grip on this, or you just loosen this and take it apart, because you don't want to put too much pressure on the set screw. They're small and delicate. So just keep that in mind. And then, like on this cart, I'm going to measure. I'm going to find the center, and that's where I'm going to put it. And I'm just going to kind of space it accordingly. So welcome back. So as you can see, I got some more goodies over here from Joe's Auto Electric, and today we're going to install this boom setup. So if you're wondering what this does, well, essentially it's, to organize all your other tools. It's an organization device. So we're just going to assemble all the little parts and pieces, and I'm super excited to see this thing installed. I think the green is going to look real good on this black box. So let's get started. So we got the first couple pieces here that I'm going to install, and it's going to be these little brackets here, and I'll zoom in so you guys can see them. And I actually have this dry erase marker. It's a black marker. So if I didn't measure right, I really don't care. I can still see it. And anyways, I'm about to drill them out. So, and then of course, before you do that, you're going to want to center it. In the case of this cart, it was 28 inches, so I just centered it at 14. Almost done, bud. All right, shield your eyes. All right, so come on, girl. So you can see right in here, I've already drilled all 6 holes. So it's just these little green brackets are going to be your base brackets there. And then the boom's going to go up through it. So, all right. What I did is I just got this. I measured. This is 28 inches, so I just centered it at 14 inches. And that's where I'm going to put it for now. So, you know, just want to get that on there like that, you know, or wherever you choose. And then just open this little marker and just poke through those little holes, and then you'll have it marked, because you know you want this to be measured. You don't just half-ass this and get it up level and make sure everything's secure. Okay, so you can see just got those plates on there, and gonna get that top piece in, and gonna get that top bar down through there, or the bottom bar, sorry. So we got that bar through there now, and it's starting to come together. If you guys aren't familiar with Joe, he's a really good guy. And you can go to joesautoelectric.net. He's got all this stuff and way more. Okay, we got that bar in there. So it was a really tight fit. So just keep that in mind. Don't be jamming it in there, you know, just work it through, because it's a tight fit, and it's snug, and you know it's not moving around, and I think it's gonna do great at that. Also, these little set screws right here, that's what takes this 1 millimeter Allen head and do not over torque those. Don't strip it. You just snug them, just barely snug them. I mean, you'll feel it bottom out and things. You know, this little coil on plug holder, that's pretty badass too. And he also sells the coil on plug wand, which I have somewhere. I just can't find it. So that sits right in there, and that's pretty sweet. And then you got this little box to just store some miscellaneous stuff. I got some tips and whatever in there. But you guys, he's been working on this for some time, and I think it turned out great. You can, this little lever, just barely loosen, and the boom will go up or down. It goes pretty high. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'm super stoked. This is a one-of-a-kind thing, and it's been in the making by one of the best guys in the industry. So, you know, tools made by a technician, and I approve. So 100% approve of this DiagCart boom. And actually, to make it go up and down, there's a lever. Let me see if I can get, yeah. And then there's that lever. You just unlatch it and up or down. So there you have it. Then you can see, well, I got 2 scopes on here right now. This is the MT Pro, and some of you might not be familiar with it. This is also something that Joe sells, and only Joe. He's the only one in this country who distributes it. So I just highly suggest this setup if you're looking, you know, you're in the market for something of this nature. Like, honestly, this is it's pretty phenomenal. So, you know, I'm going to put it to use, and it's going to be great. Just which scope and just quickly hook up, and you know, all your amp clamps are there, all your leads are ready to go. It's just you know, it makes the diagnostic quicker. You know, this, in all reality, the reason why people don't usually use the scope is because it's not easily accessible, and that's what this does. It allows you to just roll your cart over there and bam, hook up, done.